bafethu welcome camera bishito Show bafethu welcome to another beautiful fun and exciting episode of Cast and Class. And I mean, it's good, beautiful, great fun. Tung the entertainer. Today I'm going to cut my hair. Go Sosha Lalin. Yeah, fit vandag kamo Sosha difreni kama Sosha Nkupi. Mali XX mo. So in the car was chamat. Betli the cut. Mbone nice. After now the car wash. Yeah. How to Sahur is from here. Wash myself. No, it's already good. Away, it's all our feet. That's it. My boss. Ewan, let's have some mulgam. I love you.
Why not a Brangu? Matawi we should go for fair. Every go for fair.
I got a present the man for birthday. Aji. Yewe. Kwena mang?
Bunol majita, followa majita tu.
Aku jaga bulol.
Golf le ha.
Kira kis jaga golf.
Sampai kata ka ko da mula aspi.
Ya. Ya. Au siapa tu agregi kan?
Ya.
Siapa mfana? Sure bunolo.
Guys followa
majita. Sure.
Oscar Hernandez Awa berasal dari lo, orang memeta di Myanmar. Di Myanmar.
Mfana wa street. Sure, mfana. Dinsa. Dinsa. Narna flow. Richie fela. Sure, ba feet. Awe. Yeah. Sure. Ya. Yalo wena o tiri, o bona wena. Wena yalo wa. Mo they are washing it for my birthday. Katra was here. Whenever I leave, Gadra comes. Whenever I leave, go to the car wash. When Gadra wakes up, he will find me. He knows each and every place around them, each and every area around this place. He will come. Now he came here last time. Last time I was there, Wonder Park, he came. That this guy, he knows. If he calls you on a video call and then he sees where you are, he's gonna come. Without you telling him, he's gonna know where you are. He's gonna look at the background. That thing only happens to me when I'm home. This is not his home. This is not Sosha, but he will know. Look at catalog. Look at Tung Sahur there. Guys, it's happy. What shall we do? Guys, I'm happy. I'm Tung Sahur happy. I'm fit. I don't know by time guys. You've seen how time I arrived here. What shall we do? I don't know if you're a bit there.